How to use AI to accurately modify drawings using simple hand-drawn lines, or block contours combined with text annotations, or selection modification. A video will teach you. This will be the best tool for modifying drawings online, and the most comprehensive AI drawing modification guide. Whether it's updating a building facade, redesigning the surrounding site, interior material replacement, or even furniture replacement, and overall layout changes, or landscape design, local redesign, or material replacement, shape change, or adjusting the local floor area ratio in planning, or adding schools while replacing water features, it can easily do it. Let's take a detailed look. First, search for ArchMaster. Find the image in painting and AI tool. It can meet all your image modification needs. Mode 1. Box selection in painting. Box selection in painting allows you to select an area and add a prompt for precise control to achieve more accurate image modification. For example, if you only want to change the left building's material to red brick, you can select the left building. Then describe the area you want to modify, and enter your prompt below. Click Generate. This way, only the left building can be modified. You can also modify furniture. In addition, you can upload reference images here. You can use the reference image to match a specific furniture style. Based on the reference image, you can replace the entire furniture layout with one click for a planning bird's eye view like this. If you want to change the lake into a green park, while adding a school on the left, back to Tools. After selecting the lake, click Add Box Selection below, so that you can add a second box to select the green space. Then, enter the modification requirements one by one, so you can modify two places simultaneously. For old building renovations, or removing image clutter, by simply selecting the area, you can achieve the effect of precise modification. Currently, up to 5 boxes can be added, that is up to 5 modifications at a time. Isn't it great? In addition to the box, you can also use the lasso tool for more detailed and accurate selection, and the generated effect is more in line with expectations. Mode 2. Selection in painting. Selection in painting also uses the lasso or brush. It offers more control than box selection. Click the lasso tool on the right. The lasso with a plus sign selects, and the minus sign is to deselect. You can also click Invert below to switch between the framed and unframed areas. After selecting the area, enter your prompt below. Click Generate to modify. Although this operation is more cumbersome, but it can accurately modify small and detailed areas. Mode 3. Doodle in painting. If you already have a general idea, you can use the doodle in painting. You can express it through hand-drawn graffiti lines, etc., combined with the prompt. For example, if you want to modify the facade design, you can draw the general idea, then fill in the description below. Click Generate. This way, the facade will be modified as intended. In the same way, we can also add a canopy outside the building, or add an activity area, and so on. It only takes a few simple strokes, combined with the prompt. You can get the design that you want. More advanced, you can also draw the rough outline with color blocks, and then combine with the description to generate more precisely. Isn't it great? Mode 4. Description in painting. Description in painting is controlled by the prompt. For example, a building like this, you can directly enter the desired prompt. For example, change X to Y, or render X as Y, and add some other requirements. Click Generate. You can directly achieve the effect of local renovation. You can also refine the prompt further. The more detailed the prompt, the more accurate the expected result. With just text descriptions, the greater the flexibility, and the more creative freedom AI has. Whether it is modifying the wrong colored runway in the color screen, or the paving materials in the scene, replace the interior layout, and change the overall tone, or adding a sunken rest area in the square. It is the fastest and most direct way to modify images. Mode 5. Collage in painting. If you think it's troublesome to draw, you can also paste materials in the collage in painting. Whether it's adding or replacing, you can upload furniture materials on the right, and place it over the furniture to be replaced. And the tool provides a large number of material libraries for your use. However, it should be noted that this feature is primarily designed for interior design, whether it's replacing a bed, a single chair, or chandeliers, or other furniture combinations. Even if the perspective of the replaced item doesn't match, AI can automatically convert it. The operation of adding furniture is similar. You can paste the furniture you need to add, right-click the image, where you can adjust the layer, flip, and so on. In addition, you can click Skew to flexibly adjust the angle, proportion, and so on. After pasting all the furniture you need to add, click Generate. Then the furniture can be added. Mode 6. Intelligent removal. The final feature is intelligent removal. Whether it's clutter, watermarks, or objects in the scene, just select it, and click Generate to remove them. If there are too many things to remove, You don't need to select them one by one. Switch to intelligent removal mode. Select the type you want to remove. Click Generate to remove it with one click. These are the 6 modes of this tool, each with different usage scenarios and methods. Now you don't have to worry about the client asking for changes, or AI generating randomly. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you next time.